All right, welcome to another Grok Pot AI Severance International LTD software development project. This project is called the Alchemist. This is the Grok Alchemist Semantic Lab. And what this project does is takes, as you may know if you're a YouTuber, they have changed the algorithm in YouTube in order to focus on AI content and semantic content that gets to the core of what the video is about without all of the keywords and all of that. It puts weights on different words. And so, what I have done is I have created my own semantic alchemist to maximize the quality of the content that we use inside the video title and description to optimize it, to make it at its highest level in order to be picked up by the YouTube algorithm. It doesn't leave anything to chance, it does all of the math and generates a semantic version of content. So, what I want to do is I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is the interface, and what we will do is we will take a piece of content such as this one here. This is one of my videos on Grok Pot AI. If you want to go there and check that out, uh, I am creating a AI created AI course for teaching people how to use AI to do software development. So what we'll do here is we're just going to copy this. This is just the basic content written. And then what we'll do is we can paste it in here into the raw source. And then we can do alchemize 1 or 3 variants and do a score. So um, we could press this, and this will look at the content. And it'll write the output. So here's the input, and then here's the output. So what it does is it maximizes it. As you can see, it's a lot better, and it gives it a viral score of 96 out of 100. Hooks, depth, CTR, engagement. And so then what you do is you just copy that content there and paste it um, into your application, into your YouTube description, and that now you have semantically enhanced content that will maximize your um, ability to be picked up and viewed and everything by YouTube. And what I've done here is also we've put in a chat. You can ask uh, Grok. All my software is developed on Grok. I believe Grok is going to be the leader eventually. I think it's the leader now. Grok 5 is getting ready to come out, and they're talking about it being a generative AI. I think OpenAI is going to be gone pretty soon. So here we go. You can type in here, you can give it information, and then consult the alchemist. It'll give you, it goes out to Grok and talks to Grok and shows that, uh, it's, whatever your question is. This is a prompt. This is a way to engage, not just generate content, but to chat with Grok about what you're doing and get, fine tuning. And then up here in the right hand corner, you got Grok connected. So I have a hook in there that's attached to my API, and it will let me know to make sure that I'm connected to the AI prior to running. You can select what model you want. If you want to use a visual AI vision model, you can, or you can select from any of these models here. You can select a tone, viral or professional, and this works on this. You can write this for X post, YouTube description, or Google blog articles. So you can select it for any of those. So let's just we'll clear this, and we'll just do it again. And this time we'll pick it for YouTube, paste it, 1 variant, and then you'll see this change here. And now this time it's going to write it for YouTube and not for X post. So it's talking to Grok right now, and it's rewriting the content. And then here is the content for a YouTube uh, post. And then again, if you wanted to do for Google, you can. So it does 3 primary platforms, and it's a fantastic project. You can add your information in here, and you can add different IMAP, SMTP settings for emails and things like that. So that's it. I wanted to show you that, tell you thank you for watching this video, and God bless you, and God bless the United States of America. Take care.